All right, gonna be spraying this today. There's a lot of buildup in the corner, so I'm just going to smooth it out. Got the Fest tool. So today is not going to be a long video. We're only doing a few touch-ups. We got the rest of them out. All of them are prepped up and packaged up. Just got a few more we're doing a few touch-ups on. I'll show you the boxes outside. This is the smallest set of doors. We got these two big ones left. This is the H2O masking that I was talking about. I'll actually record a video of us taking it off. It looks like the paint's on the glass right now, but it's actually not. We just got these two left, and then this 8 set for the smaller garage door, and they're getting shipped out like that.
It's kind of dark in there. Let me, you want some lights in there?
No, I got auto exposure. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, you can come in. It just kind of smells bad right now.
It smells like BIW.
Yeah, it's like BIW pretty much, yeah.
All right, so what are you working on?
So I'm working up here right now on the welding.
Okay.
So we cut out this semicircle up here.
Nice.
And we've just been kind of going around welding it, making sure that everything in here is, you know, it's tucked together. It looks nice. There's no like huge gap. I have been having some trouble with the welder, but other than that, like we're going pretty smoothly.
Yeah, it looks good.
Making sure it's even. Yeah. It was like all empty before, and this was like all like warped and crap up here.
Yeah, before all this had cut out, I saw what it looked like.
Yeah.
So yeah, you're definitely making progress.
Slow but surely, or whatever. Cut slow but surely.
Appreciate it. You're doing a good job.
Yeah. I subscribe to your YouTube, by the way.
All right. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Try not to knock anything over.
It's satisfying to watch that stuff. I love watching.
Yeah, it is. The doors are completely prepped, primed, and double coated. We just finished doing touch-ups. Gonna get this glass clean, get this inside a box, and then all the big doors will be ready to be shipped out. Thanks for staying with us this long. I know it was a journey. Until next time.